Let me ask you this question. How many hours do you actually spend using your phone or computer every day? Do you experience headache, eye strain, blurry vision, itching, or eye pain while using your phone or computer? If you do, then you really need this video, because you are at risk of damaging your eyes without even knowing it. But don't worry, you're not alone, myself included. I used to suffer from this before, but I no longer do, because I started following the 5 simple steps I'm about to share with you in this video that saved my eyes. And now I can spend the whole day using my phone without having any problem. And believe me, you can also do it. And by the end of this video, I will share a secret app which you can install on your phone that will help you use your phone for long hours without having any problem. So stick around. First of all these symptoms you are experiencing are known as digital eye strains, and here are the 5 best ways you can prevent yourself from it. Let me start counting down from number 5 to number 1. Take frequent breaks. I don't mean drop your phone and rest for hours before coming back. No. There is something called 20-20-20 rule. It simply means for every 20 minutes you spend using your phone, wait and look at something at least 20 feet away from where you are for just 20 seconds. By doing that, you save your eyes from getting tired too easily, because you give it that short time to relax, that is 20 seconds. Blink frequently. We normally blink 20 times in every 1 minute, but while using our phone or computer, we only blink 3 to 5 times per minute, because we get too much attention to be tracked. And as a result of that, our eyes get dry and you get all that bad experiences. So what you should do is to consciously remind yourself to blink when using your phone or computer. As I've seen some people write the word blink on paper and paste it above their computer screen so that they can remind themselves to blink. And that is a perfect idea. Adjust the brightness of your screen. One of the major causes of digital eye strain is using your phone with too much brightness, especially in dark environment. What you should do is to make sure that you balance the brightness of your phone with the brightness of your surrounding. I mean, if you are in well-lit environment, increase the brightness of your phone. And if you are in a dark environment, reduce the brightness of your phone. That makes it easier for your eyes not to get tired too easily while using your phone or computer. I know some smartphones do that automatically. As you move from dark environment to light environment, the phone adjusts itself. If your phone doesn't have that feature, adjust it manually. And most importantly, turn on the eye care or blue light filter feature on your phone that removes harmful blue light from your home that may affect your sleep cycle, especially if you use your phone right before you sleep. Adjust your screen position. The way you hold your phone or use your computers matters a lot. For computers, the screen should be about an arm length away and the top of the screen should be tilted slightly backwards. That makes it easier for your eyes to focus at the center of the screen. For phone, avoid using it too close to your eyes, because that makes your eyes work harder and you get tired easily. That also allows too much light to penetrate into your eyes, which will make you further uncomfortable. Instead, keep the point slightly below eye level and at a comfortable distance. The last but very important tip is to make sure that you stay hydrated throughout the day. Do you know that the more water you drink, the less likely you are to suffer from this digital eye strain? So make sure that you remind yourself to drink a lot of water throughout the day, especially while using phone and computer. And if you work long hours on computer, you can use artificial tears. They are just the same as your natural tears but made artificial. So whenever you feel your eyes dry, put in a drop, and that is totally fine in as much as it is preservative free. Bonus tip, as I promised earlier, there was an app called 20-20-20 which you can install it from the Google Play Store. It's very light, it's just 2.2, and here is how it works. Whenever you want to use your phone for long hours, open the app, tap on the yellow icon and it will tell you service started, then minimize it and continue using your phone. After every 20 minutes, your phone will vibrate, telling you to look away for just 20 seconds. And after that, it will vibrate again so you can continue using your phone. Hi, my name is Dr. Arun. I make videos to help you care for your eyes and protect your everyday for life. So if this is your first time coming, feel free to subscribe so that you don't miss out featured videos.